A very good morning, everyone. This side is again Megha Narayan. We will continue our continent study of this continent, Europe itself. In this video, we will learn regarding the minerals and the fossil fuels, as well as we will also cover industries topic. So let's move. Starting from the minerals and the fossil fuels itself, in your books, it is given on page number 81. Western Europe is not quite very rich in minerals, but it has iron ores, coal, and petroleum at the same time. These are actually considered as the chief minerals. Okay, they are considered as chief minerals used, or you can say required, for the industrial growth. On the other hand, Russia and eastern side of European countries are actually rich in minerals. Minerals are such as like iron ore, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Talking about the iron ore, the area which is majorly having this iron ore is like Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, etc. are the places where iron ore is found. Talking about the coal, among the chief coal producers in the case of Europe are Russia, Germany, Poland, Greece, Ukraine, UK, etc. Most of the European countries doesn't produce enough of the petroleum to meet their requirement. The leading producers even that are present in Europe are again Russia, UK and Norway. But still the amount of the petroleum produced by them is not enough to meet the requirement. Next is all about the natural gases. These countries also produces large amount of natural gas. The countries of Western Europe, mainly if we are talking about the Norway, UK, Netherlands, has actually enough tapped petroleum as well as natural gas reserves located beneath the North Sea. Bauxite, copper, lead, zinc, uranium, sulfur, etc. are some of the minerals found in Europe. So in the case of minerals and fossil fuels, very first thing we are supposed to keep in mind is Western Europe is not so rich in minerals, but it has major particular type of minerals needed for or required for the industry's growth, that are iron ore, coal and petroleum at the same time. On the other hand, Russia and Eastern Europe side is actually rich in minerals. Major type of the minerals available here are iron ore, places where it is found, or you can say countries basically where it can be found is like Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, etc. Next is coal, which is actually available in Russia, Germany, etc. It is also available in the area like Serbia, Romania, UK, Greece, Poland, etc. Next one is petroleum. Even the petroleum produced here in the case of Europe is not quite good enough to meet the requirements, but still some of the places that served petroleum in case of this Europe is actually Russia, Norway, etc. Talking about the natural gas, the countries of the Western Europe, especially Norway, UK, and Netherlands, have tapped the petroleum as well as the natural gas reserves located beneath the North Sea. This was all about the minerals and fossil fuels. Moving towards the next one is industries. Next topic we will be discussing is industries. So before we dig in deep with the topic, Europe has some of the world's most industrialized countries. So therefore, we can say industries in case of Europe are actually well developed. Okay, it is basically having world's most industrialized countries. Europe continent, fine. Industries producing products such as like dairy products, sugar, wine, vegetable oils, etc. are major agro-based products. Agro-based products means the products which are available to us through agriculture. Okay, their agriculture is basically done. Like wine, no? Wine is made up of grapes. So grapes are basically grown onto the field. Okay, agriculture is done for them. No, we are doing, the agriculture is basically done. Grapes are available, and then only later at a point of time, wine is made from them. Same as like sugar also. Same as like vegetable oil and dairy products also. So agro based in that case not only means agriculture based, but it means simply means they are basically grown so that once they are converted into final product will be only done for the profit purposes. Okay. Second is most of the sugar beet comes from Europe. That means in the case of Europe, the major sugar beet that is used for, you can say producing of sugar, no, is actually called as, or you can say is majorly available from Europe only. Europe has most of the sugar produced from sugar beet, and thus most of the sugar beet from the entire world, if we are talking, is available from Europe only. Okay. Coming up to the next one is dairy industries. Dairy industries are basically found in the places as like Northwest Denmark, UK, Germany, etc. Northwest side of Europe that involves the countries like Denmark, UK, Germany, etc. Next is about the Mediterranean countries, as we have discussed already. Olive oil, wine, fruit juice, etc. are the products that are basically produced in Mediterranean countries. Next is all about the textile industry. The places where textile industries are located are like UK, Germany, Russia, etc. The next point of consideration is cotton is not grown in Europe in a great quantity. In Europe, Europe doesn't grow much of the cotton. Therefore, it imports the raw material for the production of cotton textile. Woolen textile is also an old industry in the case of Europe. Textiles such as like linen and artificial textiles, artificial, you can say these are the fibers, no, artificial fibers if we are talking, such as like polyester, nylon, etc. These are available in the case of Europe. Other than the natural fibers such as like flax and cotton, the textiles that are made from synthetic, okay, that are made from synthetic or artificial fiber such as like polyester, nylon, etc. are available here. Nylon, a synthetic fabric, has got its name from New York and London only. These two cities were the first who produced nylon. Okay. Again, repeating textile, if we are talking along with flax and cotton, which cotton is not so much produced here, but even though it has been therefore imported from the other places. Other than these, linen and the other artificial or synthetic fibers such as like polyester and nylon, etc. are majorly found here. Nylon has got its name from New York and London. These are the two cities who first used this particular artificial or synthetic fiber. Now coming up to forest-based industry. From forest, the things available to us are wood, paper, timber, etc. Therefore, the places which are producing these forest type of the products or forest-based industries are actually available in Russia, Finland, etc. at the same time. From forest, newsprints, other wood products are also well developed in the taiga forest belt, which actually spreads over to the area of this Russia, Finland, Norway, etc. Coming up to the iron and steel industry. In Europe, the iron and the steel industry was actually developed in the places as like UK, France, Germany, etc. Right now, the largest producer of steel in Europe is Russia itself, along with Other countries such as like Germany, Italy, France, Ukraine, etc. Many of these countries uses steel which is highly developed in Europe. Okay, these include the places where these steels are basically used. Okay, if someone asks you, iron steel is well developed, good, but what is this steel used for? So steel is basically used in the industries as like aircraft, machinery, electrical equipment, etc. Now comes the last one, that is special products. If someone asks, what are the special products? Or you can say Europe is also popular for its special products, such as like in Switzerland, which is famous for chocolates and watches. Glass is famous of countries Sweden and Finland. Perfume belongs from France, as well as tourist industry is also one of the important factor in case of Europe. So in industries, we had learned till now that industries producing here dairy products, sugar, wine, vegetable, etc. sort of agro-based products. With this agro-based products, we simply means the industries that uses agriculture products as their raw material. As what? The industries that uses agriculture products as their raw material. These are the agro-based industries to be very precise. Second is most of the sugar beet come from the era. This is from the entire world if we are comparing. If we compare in the entire world, which continent is giving the highest amount of sugar beet? That is Europe itself. Dairy industry is available in northwestern area of Europe, consisting of the countries as like Denmark, UK, Germany, etc. Mediterranean countries produces olive oils, wine, fruit juice also. Textile industries are well developed in UK, Germany, Russia. Cotton is not grown in Europe in a great quantity. It is basically imported. Along with that, flax is also produced here. These cotton and flax are actually natural fibers. Talking about the other textile, linen and other artificial, such as like nylon if we are taking, these are artificial or synthetic fibers. This nylon has got its name from this place only. It was first used in New York and London. These two cities used it for the first time. Talking about the forest-based industry, the products available from there are newsprint, wood products, timber, paper, wood itself, etc. The places which have these forest-based industries are Russia, Finland, etc. Iron and steel, which is considered as the particular type of the mineral used for every industry's development, is basically found in Russia, France, Germany also. At the same time, talking about these production, the other major producers are like Germany, Ukraine, Italy also. Right now, Russia is the largest producer. These particular steel is also used in the fields as like automobiles, shipbuilding, aircraft, electrical equipment, machineries also. Talking about the special products, Switzerland is famous for the chocolates and the watches. Sweden and Finland has glass. Perfume is available, the most popular one, okay, that is France. And tourism industry is also important in the case of Europe. So that was all about this video. Keep learning. In the next video, we will discuss the rest of the topic. That's it. Thank you.